The Proline XE series of commercial-grade hybrid electric heat pump products features Blue Diamond glass coating, dual Incaloy stainless steel heating elements that last up to 3 times longer than standard copper elements, an electronic thermostat, side tap water connections, an easy-to-clean filter, an LCD display that provides dry fire protection, diagnostics, and additional operating modes that can improve energy efficiency, a smart port connection for home automation or utility demand programs, easy installation, increased efficiency reducing water heating costs, and limited warranty.